Now listen to me this morning. There is a pending terror attack that is scheduled to happen between now and Friday. Between now and Friday in Ondo State. Ondo State, there is a pending terror attack that is scheduled to take place between now and Friday. I'm not coming to incite you. I'm not coming to stir your emotion. I don't do that. You know me. There is a pending terror attack in Ondo State between now and Friday. And the locations are between Akure, Akoko, and Owo. Akure, Akoko, Owo. There is a pending terror attack for Ondo State between now and Friday. Akoko, Akure, Owo. These are the locations. These are the locations. Now, the target of this attack is on churches, a security outpost, or any large gatherings. This is a Salah period. The target of the attack are churches, security outpost, or any form of large gatherings. Large gatherings more than 10, where there is a lot of people. There is a pending terror attack. I'm saying this and I'm saying it with all seriousnness. There is a pending terror attack in Ondo State between today and Friday. And the target is churches, security outposts, or any large gatherings. This is not a new thing. 2 days ago, they did it in Kwara State, where a church was having a night vigil. They went in, killed 3, took 15 hostage. The children, the 42 children that were taken, and the civilians and all the people that were taken on your state are still there. They are still there. They are still in the deaths of kidnappers. The 37 victims that were taken on Easter Day in Kaduna State are still there. The government is busy with party politics. So now why I'm saying this one is that if you're not careful and you fall a victim, you have a government that will not care about you. You will remain there, they will kill you, slay you, do whatever they want to like to you. The man at the helm of affairs who is busy is busy politicking. They will not do any. Your life is inconsequential to them. I'm saying it this morning. This is Monday morning. I have other things I should be doing. I need to tell you now. There's a pending terror attack on Ondo State. And you need to listen and listen well now. Akoko, Akure, Owo. These are the target. These are the places they are intended to target. Churches, security outposts, large gatherings of celebration. There is a pending terror attack. You can dismiss this and say, this and that. No problem. No problem. It is better we say it than doesn't happen, than for we to keep this information and then it happens. There's a pending terror attack. You have to be careful. Be very careful of large gatherings this period. Churches, ensure you mount people. Pass this message to all the churches in Akure in Ondo State. Mount men around your location of church in your churches. Let them watch. Let them set up watchmen that will be watching. Ensure you monitor movement. These boys that are doing iron condemn, these Fulani boys that are doing iron condemn, these Hausa boys that are doing shoemakers, and all those boys that do as if they are packing debts. Monitor them. Be very, very careful. Mount men, don't have any gathering this period between now and Friday unless you have people that are watching over your place. Mount men everywhere. There's a pending terror attack. If you don't take any action, if you don't do anything, eventually happen, you will die for nothing. Now, for the upteenth time, I'm going to repeat this. Organize yourself in every local government. For now, this is for everybody now, not for only on those state. Organize yourself in every local government. Look for guns. Arm yourselves. Arm yourself with guns. Arm yourselves because people are asking me, Apostle, what do we now do? With all this you have been, what do you want to do? I've told you before in another video. I'm saying it now again. Organize yourselves. In every local government. Organize yourselves and arm yourselves. If you're in diaspora, speak with your community leaders here. Support them with resources. Arm yourselves. Organize yourselves. In squad of 5, 10, put yourself in order. Then wait for them to come. In every part of Nigeria now. Anytime they come, make sure you send them back to the head they came from. Don't arrest them. Somewhere, Amoteku, what is wrong with your brain? What is wrong with you people's brain? That you arrested and you are handing them over to security operative. Why are you handing them over? Does it not occur to you that they will be released? Does it not occur to you that there will be no consequence whatsoever on those guys? Why will you arrest those people you arrested and you are taking them back to the security operatives? No. When you catch them, you send them back to hell. You send them to where they belong. You don't return them back to the Nigerian government will release them. They might even pay them. Because they do that a lot. So pay them. Organize yourselves. When they come for you, ensure that you return the fire. Go and arm yourself at this time. Anybody that wants to come and disarm you, to say they are in form of one military, they are wearing army uniform, or whatever uniform, anybody that wants to take away your weapon at this time is after your life. He wants you to die. So therefore, treat such a person with same treatment like you would do a terrorist. Exactly what you would do to a jihadist, exactly what you do to an Islamist, exactly what you do with a bandit or a Boko Haram or a Fulani bastard is exactly what you should do to that person. I don't care which security outfit is coming from. I don't care which force is coming from. If they have come to take away your weapon, listen to me. You are in the south-south. You are in the southwest. You are in the north-central. You are in the east. Go and get yourself armed. Any man, any woman, any police or army or air force, whosoever want to come and take away your weapon is after your life. He wants to make you vulnerable. So that the moment they come to attack you to kill you, you have nothing to defend yourself. And let me tell you, you will die for nothing. Your government will never move. It will never move them. It will not move them. You will die and go like that. So this is the information I need to tell you this morning. There are a lot of things to talk about. But for now this morning, Ondo State, Akoko, Akure, Owo, there's a pending attack between now and Friday. Ensure you avoid large gathering. And if you must have a large gathering, set up watchmen. Question every suspected person. Ensure this attack doesn't happen. Be safe. Stay safe. Then your communities, get yourself weapon. Arm yourself. Ensure nobody come and take your life unnecessarily like that. I've told you my own. You can either accept this or you can discard it. Thank you.
Of course, if anybody had told us that we are going to witness what we are witnessing at the moment in Oro land, we will have said it's impossible. But let me use the statement of our paramount king, Oba Johnson Olariwaju Dada. I think the situation we have in Oro land presently, Orago district of Ifelodun local government, Kwara state, is beyond us. Is beyond us. The situation of insecurity in our domain, we must confess, is beyond us. This is our community, wholly deserted now. Wholly deserted. People have fled for their lives, left their properties, their farms, their businesses, everything deserted now. The whole community is deserted. The whole district, the whole Orago district, and even suburb, they were all deserted now. Eh? Eh? A place that is blossoming for its commercial activities, for its agricultural activities. See the whole community deserted now. See. People left their belongings. From here to Okiowa now, down to Iraban. That's how you see houses closed. Can you see? Houses closed. Nobody. Every place people lived before have been deserted now. I think this is beyond us, really. It's beyond us. And as I'm talking now, we even have some of our community members in the bush. Kidnapped. We don't know their situation. It's a very pathetic situation. It's very saddening. We are worried. We are threatened in Orago district. Please, we are appealing to the Kwara state government, the federal government, and all those who concerned, to come to our aid. This is a situation we have never witnessed. Even our forefathers, our fathers in heaven, have not witnessed what we are witnessing right now. They chase us away from our farms. We thought it will soon be over, but see now. They've also chased us away from our homes, from our businesses, from our occupations. from our properties. Can you see? Eh? Can you see? Houses locked up, nobody. This is the saddening situation which Orago district and its environ, not just Orago district, Okeonya, Kajola, everywhere. This is how it's deserted now. It's a very pathetic situation. We are appealing to the government to please do the needful. Not that you have not done. You have done, but when we have preempted this kind of situation, that there will be a reprisal attack. Eh? This is a reprisal attack now. The whole community is deserted. Eh? If you see anybody now, maybe it's a vigilante or just some strangers who doesn't have anywhere to go. The whole community is deserted. Eh? Everywhere under lock and keys. Can you see? Eh? See, this is Ajegunle community in Orago district, and this is how the whole Orago district and its environs are being deserted now. Whether Omugo, whether Okedaba, whether Okeowa, whether Agom main town, whether Oyate, whether Ahun, whether Okeoyan, Kajola, everywhere, Iraba. This is how it's deserted. It's a very serious situation. We are appealing to the federal government and the state government. Please do the needful. You've started it. And one will have preempted that these people will come for a reprisal attack. And they have come indeed. And this is what we are witnessing. It's more than this. Whatever you are feeling now, the sadness is even more than this.